Good morning and welcome to 7 Lawman Street, Caloundra West. As you can see, double garage, little bit of spot there for a small boat or tinny, elevated block, quiet cul-de-sac, living room, undercover entertainment area, nice bay window, plantation blinds, and double garage, plenty of storage, shelving, and we've also got 5 kilowatts solar on the roof. Walk through air conditioner unit, dining suite, and then we turn into the kitchen. Very modern kitchen, nice and bright and airy. You can still see the pool from here. Plenty of space. We'll walk back out into the bedrooms. So first room, built-in robes. We use it as an office, but it's a bedroom. Good size ceiling fan. Hallway, bit of storage, separate toilet, shower and bath, laundry, decent sized laundry, back door with your washing line out there. Second bedroom, bright and airy again, ceiling fan and built-in robes. Okay. Main bedroom, lovely little entertainment area outside, sit and have a coffee. Air conditioner unit, walk through robe, his and hers, and walk into shower, toilet, bathroom. You get really nice views of the Glasshouse Mountains and views of King's Beach. You can actually see the ocean from the back. Lovely little in-ground pool. Side gate there to get out as well. Undercover entertainment area. And we walk round. Lovely, well-maintained yard. Very low maintenance. That's all your pool equipment, all neat and tidy in the corner. That was the main bedroom there. And you can go all the way around the back. You've got a shed. Walk all the way through. Washing line. And then all the way your water tank and all the way down the back. Cheers.